Hi guys, imagine this kind of a photo comes to you when you don't have these decorations for birthday pictures. Today I just want to take you through how to take a picture from this to this. So let's get started. Alright, this was how the picture was taken. You can see the child is eating something. I actually wanted the child to eat something because of the picture that I'm going to feed the child into, or the background that I'm going to feed the child into. I removed the child from this place. It became like this PNG file. Secondly, this is the background I want to put the child inside. So this was the background that gave me the idea. You can see this child is eating this cake, and onto the leg of this child there is this destruction. You can see the hand, the mouth. You understand? So I wanted all these things to be on my own photo. I started by removing this other child from this background. Secondly, I added my own. Put the cake on the middle of the child, also like the same. So I start adding some destructions. You can see like the child is eating the cake. You can see now I added this shadow before and after. Now I started this destruction on the leg, same as the other child. So I keep on adding on the both leg, adding those destruction. You know, as a little child, you cannot be stable. You must be moving the leg, and the leg will be rubbing the cake. So that was what I was adding. I started adding it on the hands. You can see the finger. You can see the nose. You know, as a child, these things like this must happen. The nose. Yeah. I can see you are enjoying this video. Click the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any video like this coming from this channel. Let's continue. So finally the picture looks like this. You can see. So guys, you have to be creative when you are shooting your photos or when you are editing your photos. So let me take you to the number 2. So this is the number 2 photo. This was how it was shot, and I removed it from the background. Now this is the background I'm going to fit the photo into. So as I earlier told you, everything I shot, I knew where I'm going to put it. So I shot it also with the camera angles and the camera length. Now I put the picture. You can see how it fits inside because I shot the picture looking at this background also. So I added some floor shadow, you know, to fit the image inside. Start matching the light. You can see the before, you can see the before and the after, the before and the after. You know, match the light so that the lighting condition of the background and the subject is going to be the same. And I added the shadow to this balloon. So you can see guys, this balloon is actually blue right now, but before it was kind of green. Well, as I told you, you have to be creative because this background had blue balloons and we cannot actually match the child holding 2 different color balloons. You understand? So we have to now bring one color of the balloon to be the color that we are seeing right there, and the rest can be anything. So that is just the creativity over it. So you can see over here there's a name. It's not a child name, so I wanted to add a child's name over to the background, you know, to give that professionalism. So I removed the name, added the child's name, Emmanuel, added this blending. Now I come over here and I added the child's name again over here. That makes the picture to look like this, so you can see for yourself. So let me take you to the number 3. This break is just to remind you that you should click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any video coming from this channel, just like this. Let's continue. The number 3 photo was shot like this. We try to add something on the head of the child that will match the background we are trying to put the child letter onto. So let me show you what I mean. After I remove the child from the background, now this is the background. You can see the colors of the background. You can see the objects on the background. So the cap on the child's head was so that the child can fit to the background. You are understanding what I'm saying? I put the child on the background. So if you see right here, the child is sitting on something because we wanted to put the child on a chair. This is a chair that we downloaded from another website and put the child on the chair. Start creating that lighting condition. You can see on the child's face that lighting condition because the light is actually coming from the top side. And now adding some shadow. I don't know if you can see very well because I added some shadow here just to blend the child on the background. Now on the eyes, I whiten the eyes. No, as a child. Now I added this shadow Normally sitting on a chair, there must be this cast shadow. Why? Because the lighting is coming from the top side, so we must definitely have these cast shadows over here. So I had to add the cast shadow. Over here, so you can see. So that is the finalization of the picture. You can see it for yourself. So guys, as I told you, you have to be creative. You have to be very creative when you are doing your pictures. You have to be very creative when you are doing your editing, and you have to also be creative when you are shooting. You can be creative in post, but also be creative when you are doing the shooting. Is the main thing I can tell you. Yeah. Alright guys, you can give your own thoughts on the comment below if you think there is something I could have done to take this picture to another level. So just tell me on the comment side. And if you want to learn how to create professional thumbnails in Photoshop, then click this video right here. Or if you want to know how to retouch your skins, frequency separations, then click this other video right here. So we can meet again on the other video.